2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, air conditioning, four-wheel ABS, power steering, front-wheel drive, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Thanks for shopping with us. For more information, visit cdjrfranklin.com.